So my car's running really strangely right now. The sound is not working on my radio. It's almost like the engine is powering down. Now all the lights just went off. It's really strange. Feels like it's still running though. So I've had the power reduced light come on before in my life, but never have all the lights not worked. It's really strange. And the bad news is I don't have any brakes. Well, I do have brakes, but my brake lights don't work. So I got about 45 minutes on a normal day home, so hopefully I can make it. I'm just gonna ride in the slow lane and see what I can do, but nothing is working as far as my lights. And originally when it came on, everything was on, so I don't know. We will see if I make it home.